Xpeng G6 580 long battery plus launched at a limited time discounted price of 179,900 yuan. At the same time, the Xpeng G6 features a new dark night black color and a soft light beige interior. The dark night black paint will match the blacked-out kit and will be available with 20-inch blacked-out sports wheels. Specifically, compared to the original 580 Pro version, the front seats lack ventilation functions, the main driver's seat lacks four-way adjustable lumbar support, steering wheel heating is cancelled, and the audio system drops to 8 speakers from the previous 18 speakers. Speakers, chassis, 3 electrics, high-end intelligent driving, etc. Other features such as have not changed. These settings are still quite attractive, especially for friends who do not care about comfort configuration. It's also worth noting that the entire Xpeng G6 series adds dark midnight black exterior and soft light brass interior options. Notably, the midnight black color scheme will be paired with a blacked-out exterior kit and will be available with 20-inch blacked-out sports wheels. Like the exterior rearview mirrors, the window frames are also designed in black, and the rear lampshade and the G6 logo are also designed in black. This visual effect is quite nice. Soft light interior is a new cockpit theme developed by Xpeng and first launched on the Xpeng G6 model. Xpeng G6, the first strategic product under the SEPA 2.0 Fuyao technology architecture, has many outstanding features. For example, the entire series comes with a full-range 800V high-voltage 6 silicon carbide platform and 3C batteries and ultra-low coefficient of friction as standard. Resilient design, a heat pump and front and rear integrated aluminum casting as standard, high-end intelligent assisted driving system XNGP etc. Equipped with provides a more efficient thermal management system.